Greenius Implementation. Welcome to Greenius. You've discovered Greenius Online Training because you're looking to build a rockstar team, streamline training within your company, retain team members, advance team members by providing professional development opportunities, and much more. Now that you've made this important decision, let's make sure you understand what to expect from the implementation process. Getting started right is the most critical step as you start your journey towards enhancing your company with online training. With over 50 courses in English and Spanish, custom testing, a huge tailgate talk library, and a newly launched 15-minute review tool, our mission is to provide our users with a full suite learning management system. The Greenius process comes down to 4 steps: watch, test, review, and measure. Using Greenius consistently helps demystify what is truly driving employee performance in your business. Let's move on. First off, a Greenius program coordinator will introduce themselves to you and your team. We'll greet you with a welcome package, and you will receive an employee training tracker to help you and the team stay organized and on track with training. This spreadsheet is the very first document we need you to fill out. It helps us to understand which divisions you would like your account broken into. This helps us correlate employee training with the various job positions in your company. On top of that, the program coordinator will assist you in signing up for the Greenius Live Virtual Academy implementation webinars. Let's move on. Once welcome to the Live Virtual Academy, you will be greeted with 2 40-minute webinars and an optional 3rd webinar. Remember, these are live, and together with your program coordinator, the first 2 sessions will discuss basic account setup fundamentals and the management of your Greenius account. The 3rd session is a quick overview of the 15-minute review tool. If you can't attend these live webinars at your scheduled time, no sweat. You will automatically be emailed a recording of the webinar for viewing at a later time. After you move through the first week of training in the Live Virtual Academy, you meet with your Customer Success Manager for 2 separate one-on-one calls. We dive deep into any questions you may have during these calls regarding the material covered in the webinars during the previous week. Your Customer Support Manager will go through your account and help you fine-tune the setup and streamline it specific to your needs. You will be customizing divisions and mandates, adding additional system managers, or adding other employees if necessary. And if you need support beyond that, Greenius has a team of real people behind the scenes to support you and your team members with any additional help you need. Just click the blue Help button at the bottom of your Greenius dashboard, or call, chat, and email. We are here for you and your success. You're going to love it, and you're going to find that this is a platform that will help you and your teams reach new heights. Enjoy it.